Hey guys, are you want to buy best baseboard heater? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best baseboard heater that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Comfort Zone Baseboard Heater. Comfort Zone offers all kinds of home appliances and other related products that are all quite practical and handy since they offer all kinds of useful features and options. The Comfort Zone C600 Baseboard Heater is one of the most powerful options out there if you want something compact. To be exact, this baseboard heater is able to offer a very respectable power output of up to 1500 watts. And the best part is that it is able to offer the same while having a width of just 28 inches. Apart from being perfect for tight spaces, this baseboard heater is also quite practical since it runs on 120-volt current. And considering the given price tag, the included 2-year-long warranty makes this baseboard heater a great all-rounder package. Now our second product is King Baseboard Heater. If budget is not an issue with you and you want something premium, then King and its baseboard heaters can be a viable pick for you since they do offer handy features. King's 4-cone 1210 BW baseboard heater is a great pick for all those who not only want something that looks sick but also performs well at the same. Keeping the same in mind, this baseboard heater has a power output of 1000 watts, which is quite well. You also get a width of 48 inches with this baseboard heater so that air can be properly circulated around it. Similar to most other baseboard heaters given above, this also has the support for 120-volt currency. And because it is such a premium and well-built offering, the included 1-year-long warranty is decent enough for most. Our third product is Fahrenheit Electric Baseboard Heater. You can also consider Fahrenheit and its offerings if you want something powerful but don't have any issues in going with a more standard size baseboard heater for your home. Fahrenheit's FB F15002 baseboard heater is a high-performance option for all those who want something powerful. This is such a great pick since you get an amazing power output of up to 1500 watts with it. More importantly, it even offers a width of 46 inches which results in great air circulation. Despite being one of the bigger and powerful options out there, it still works well with 120-volt current without any issues, which makes it highly practical. Also, because Fahrenheit is a fairly premium brand of heating appliances, the included 1-year-long warranty is to be expected. Now number 4, Cadet Manufacturing F-Series Baseboard Heater. Cadet F is one of the cheaper brands of heating products available out there, despite which it is one of the best picks if you want something reliable and powerful for your home. This Cadet F-Series 4-cone 1000W baseboard heater is present in the 3rd position in this article because it is hands down the best option for long-term usage given here. Not only that, but you also get decent performance out of it since it is rated for a maximum power output of up to 1000 watts. Another great thing about this baseboard heater is that it offers a pretty good width of 48 inches. But the best part about this baseboard heater is that it is backed by a lifetime warranty, which makes it excellent for long-term usage. However, even at the given power output rating, this baseboard heater does require you to use 240-volt current with this unit, which can be an issue for many. And our last choice is Dimplex Electric Baseboard Heater. Dimplex is a mid-tier brand of heating products that you can keep in mind if you're looking for high-performance heaters for your home that can be used even during the peak winter season. This Dimplex LC5020W31 baseboard heater happens to be the most powerful option present in this article, which makes it excellent for heavy-duty usage. When compared to most other offerings, this baseboard heater offers a much higher power output of up to 2000 watts. Not only that, but it even offers a best-in-class width of 50 inches. Since this is a fairly premium and high-end heater option, it also comes included with a 1-year-long warranty as standard. However, in order to run such a powerful baseboard heater, it does need 240 electric current, which is something that you need to keep in mind. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.